The Phantom 2.0 sounds like a cutting-edge upgrade over the classic utility knife. Its enhanced titanium construction and focus on AI features definitely piqued the interest. Let's dissect its key points and see if it might be the pocket blade upgrade you've been seeking. Titanium toughness. Gr5 Titanium build. This premium material boasts exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties, making the Phantom 2.0 a durable and long-lasting companion. Replaceable blade. No need to discard the entire knife when the blade dulls. Simply swap in a new one for continued cutting prowess. Multiple opening solutions. Choose from automatic, assisted, or manual blade deployment based on your preference and situation. Security lock. Keep the blade safely stowed when not in use with the integrated security lock for added peace of mind. TritiumSlots. Enhance nighttime visibility with optional tritium inserts that glow in the dark, making the knife easily locatable even in pitch black conditions. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Phantom 2.0. Pros: pocket clip, TSA approved, multiple color options. Cons: premium price, AI functionality reliance, tritium insert cost. Overall impression: the Phantom 2.0 is a sleek and sophisticated upgrade for the discerning knife enthusiast. Its titanium construction, replaceable blade, and optional AI features like automatic deployment and security lock offer undeniable advantages in terms of durability, practicality, and convenience. However, the premium price tag, reliance on AI functionalities, and potential additional cost for tritium inserts are factors to weigh before making the leap. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.